For at least the third day in a row, people are lining up outside the West Kowloon court. Some people have been camping out overnight ahead of the significant trials happening here this week. This time it's for the resumption of the trial of Jimmy Lai. Now, Jimmy Lai is one of the city's most prominent and well-known business people. He ran and owned the iconic Apple Daily newspaper. It was strongly pro-democracy and regularly criticised the Hong Kong and Chinese authorities. But it was shuttered in 2021 after being raided and after Mr. Lai and several of his senior staff were arrested. Now, Mr. Lai has been in jail for nearly 4 years, and after several months of delays, his national security trial is finally due to resume, and it is expected that Mr. Lai himself will give evidence. His family and his international legal team have raised grave concerns for his health and well-being because he is aged 77, is a diabetic, and is being kept in solitary confinement in prison.
Jimmy Lai has been held in prolonged solitary confinement for over 1,400 days for almost 4 years. He's diabetic, he's 77, and regrettably there's a strong body of evidence making clear that when prisoners are elderly or when they're diabetic, prolonged solitary confinement hugely increases the risk of morbidity. So this could not be more urgent, and we absolutely must get Jimmy Lai out of prison before we see this brave man die in prison for being a journalist and for being a pro-democracy campaigner.
Jimmy Lai is a British citizen, and the UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer raised his case with the Chinese President Xi Jinping when they met on the sidelines of the G20 in Brazil earlier this week. But Mr. Lai also has the support of Donald Trump. Mr. Trump has said that he would 100% talk to Xi Jinping about Mr. Lai's case, very confidently saying that he could secure his release, which has prompted a strong rebuke from Hong Kong's leader, John Lee. This trial comes just after the sentencing of 45 pro-democracy ex-lawmakers, academics and activists who were given a range of sentences from 4 years to 10 years for their roles in an unofficial primary vote in 2020.